the top selling items this Christmas, get ready for what's going to be in your stocking, it is DNA testing kits. People are fascinated by this new and very accessible technology, testing kits like 23andMe, Ancestry DNA, and MyHeritage DNA. People want to know, where do I come from? Who are my people? What is my family? There's a deep longing, particularly in our culture, for identity, to understand who we are, to know where we came from, to know the family that has shaped us. Because I think as much as we really embrace an extreme individualism, we all are innately aware that an individual is merely the tip of an iceberg. And underneath the water is that entire family line. The bloodline, the family tree, the family legacy. It's shaped all of us. Maybe you've had these experiences. As individualistic as we are, maybe you've been attached either to a family of notoriety or maybe to an organization that has an interesting representation, reputation. Man, I can't speak this morning. Anyway, it was interesting for me growing up. I have a large family, and my dad was in the military, and every once in a while, with a larger family, you're very well connected. And so there was one point where I was working in law enforcement, and I won't get into the situation, but a particular gentleman that had to do with my work suddenly goes, "Wait a minute, is your last name Vantine? Is your dad John Vantine?" I'm like, "Oh no, how do you know him? What is the connection here," right? Like, sometimes notoriety may or may not be a good thing. For me, I served at Mars Hill Church for many years, and then went down and served at a church down in the Portland area, and people would often ask about my ministerial background. And I would be kind of hesitant because my connection with a particular organization spoke a lot about me and what I emphasized and what I believed, and so I would be honest and be like, "Yeah, I worked at Mars Hill. How do you receive that? What do you think about that?" Because that could be a very good or very bad thing. So our connections to our family, to our organizations, our history, they shape us, right?